In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prepare wholesome meals can often feel like an impossible task. That's where this Housnat 10-in-1 Programmable Slow Cooker comes into play. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone looking for a convenient solution to cooking family meals, this 6-quart slow cooker with multiple settings will save you time, effort, and ensure your meals are both delicious and nutritious. Imagine having the ability to slow cook, bake, steam, sauté, make yogurt, and more, all with the push of a button. This programmable slow cooker offers not only convenience but also versatility for those who love variety in their meals. Whether you need a tender, slow-cooked stew, fluffy rice, or perfectly roasted vegetables, this Housnat Slow Cooker will handle it with ease. But what exactly makes this product stand out from other slow cookers on the market? Let's take a closer look at its key features and benefits to help you make an informed decision before your next kitchen upgrade. Key features and benefits. The Housnat 10-in-1 Programmable Cooker is not just another slow cooker. With 10 preset cooking functions, including everything from slow cook to yogurt making, this appliance is an all-in-one solution to all your cooking needs. Let's break down its standout features. Number 1. 10 preset cooking programs for ultimate versatility. Whether you want to slow cook, sear, steam, or even make yogurt, this cooker does it all. With 10 pre-programmed settings, the Housnat Slow Cooker allows you to easily select the function that best suits your dish, including slow cook, low-high, perfect for simmering stews, soups, and tenderizing meats. Sear sauté, ideal for browning meats or vegetables before slow cooking, bringing out rich flavors. Roast, roasting meats and vegetables is effortless, giving your meals that perfect caramelized edge. Bake, yes, you can bake cakes, casseroles, and other treats right in this multi-cooker. Steam, for delicate cooking, such as steaming vegetables or fish. Stew, prepare hearty, flavorful stews for a complete meal. Rice and multigrain, perfectly fluffy rice or multigrain dishes with the touch of a button. Sous vide, precise temperature control for perfectly cooked meats and veggies. Yogurt, make homemade yogurt in the comfort of your kitchen without a yogurt maker. Number 2. Full control over time and temperature. While the preset programs make cooking incredibly simple, the Housnat 10-in-1 cooker also lets you have full control over your cooking process. Here's how. Adjustable cooking time and temperature. Customize the cooking time and temperature according to your recipe and preferences. Perfect for those who want to experiment or adjust based on the specific ingredients they're using. 24-hour delay start. This feature allows you to set the cooker to start at a later time. Whether you're prepping dinner in the morning and want it ready for when you get home, or just need flexibility, the delay start feature is a game changer. Keep warm function. Once your meal is done, the automatic keep warm function ensures that your food stays hot and ready to serve without overcooking or drying out. No more cold food when you're ready to eat. Number 3. Built-in safety features for peace of mind. Safety is a top priority when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Housnat Slow Cooker is designed with this in mind. 304 stainless steel construction. The cooker's body is made of thick 304 stainless steel, providing excellent heat insulation and durability. The stainless steel exterior also resists wear and tear, ensuring your cooker stays looking new. Cool touch handles. The cool touch handles are designed to protect you from burns while allowing for easy transport of the cooker. Whether you're serving food directly from the pot or moving it to another location, you can rest assured that it will be safe to handle. Tempered glass lid. The lid can withstand high temperatures, providing a strong seal while allowing you to easily monitor the cooking progress without lifting the lid. Number 4. High capacity for family meals. The 6-quart cooking capacity is perfect for preparing meals for larger families or gatherings. Whether you're making a big pot of chili, a hearty stew, or a full roast, this cooker has the space you need to accommodate all your ingredients. Number 5. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Housnat 10-in-1 Slow Cooker makes it simple. Dishwasher safe. Parts. Both the removable inner pot and glass lid are dishwasher safe, meaning you can just toss them in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. Stainless steel body. The mirror-finished stainless steel body is easy to wipe down and keeps its shine for years to come. so you won't need to worry about stubborn stains or buildup. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.